So in this session, we will cover full combination of vector set, dependency, span and basis. Okay, and kindly just observe, we are going to define a vector A, which it just has a point along with x1 axis. Okay, and here we are defining a point B with the x2 axis, and last but not least here we are having a point C. And observe towards this C, dear friends, here it is added towards that where C is equal to A plus B. Okay, C is equal to A plus B, which defines that is the summation of. So the summation of that is C is dependent on A and B vector. So this is immediately implies this particular, the resultant of C always dependent on to the result of A and B. Okay, so let me just have a column stack. Okay, here let me form a matrix with the column A comma B comma C. And once done, let me just compute the rank. And yes, of course, here the number of independent vector is noted, that is computed. Okay, and by using this particular print function, yes, it just prints the vector and explicitly shows the dependency. And this one, it is not but not least, yes, this displays the matrix. And we are just going to have the vectors. Okay, number of rank, number of vectors, and yes, if it is dependence on whether it is lesser or higher. Okay, in such a case, we are just going to conclude, yes, the set is whether it is linearly dependent or not. Okay, and now let me just we are just going to introduce some testing smaller subset. Okay, so in that subset, kindly just observe, we are just going to have that subset by making in a loop through all pairs of vectors. So here we have two things, one is M and the next one it is R. So now N, of course, it is what the column stack, that is the pair, and we are just going to calculate the rank with the variable R. Okay, so here for each pair, building a matrix and computing the rank, that is what simultaneously it is going to have, that is within this loop. Okay, and now once for all, we are just going to print what is the rank and about towards the subspace and towards the whether it is dependent or not. And not only there, we are also going to have the basis evaluation. Okay, so here the basis evaluation is also done, and here once done, this the value of A and B is a valid basis or not, that is what the conclusion we are just going to have. And another valid basis also, yes, kindly just to see here, different vectors. Okay, so different vectors with the same space, that is also we have to note it onto that. Whereas important distinction is that is spanning alone is not enough. We also must need also be known to that of independent. Okay, so that is what here it is very much important. And let me just execute it and kindly check with the output. So see here, dear friends, all the things. So this is how we have the vector set. Okay, so vector set A comma B comma C, where C which is equal to A plus B. And next what this shows. Okay, so yes, clearly I just let you know the first point about the vector set. So here we have a set of A, B, C, where in such case we just resultant with C is equal to A plus B. Okay, now the second one, yes, it is all about how this happens. So A plus B minus C, which is equal to 0. So here on towards this linear dependency, it is said that non-trivial component, so it is a dependent. And yes, next let me just move on to the third one. Yes, it is all about span. So kindly just observe here, dear friends. So all vectors lies in x1 and x2 plane. So here what would be the dimension? Yes, it is the dimension is 2. And when coming towards the basis, dear friends, kindly just observe here we have a a valid basis of, yes, a comma b and to the same of a comma c. But here we are having an invalid. Of course, this is an invalid. ABC is a invalid because it is not independent. Okay, and here's all to the last. Yes, dear friends, adding more vector does not increase dimension unless they are independent. And towards the data science interpretation, I want to specify, dear friends, even though if you just have extra features, it is not equivalent. Yes, it is not going to give you a more information. So only dependent features matter. So dear friends, if this session helped you build a strong foundation in vector sets and linear combination, independence, span and basis, so kindly just like this video, share it with someone starting their data science or generative AI journey, and subscribe to Demystify with Ajay for more such real world discussion. And yes, dear friends, see you in the next session. Thank you. Happy learning.